riding with Jimmy Johnson.
That car just stepped out a lot like it did Saturday night, Mike, when somebody got alongside of it. Man, and then he just nailed McMurray again. That was some hard hits there, folks.
That was a double-double for Jimmy Johnson.
Car.
I think he couldn't. He was behind that car and he couldn't see. And I think when he went to the inside, he took the. I think that
up in front of him here. Go on. Middle. Hold her straight. Lock her down here. You all right? Caution's out.
and remember,
Still rolling. Nobody's hit us yet, guys. Nobody hit us.
That was a hard lick. Jason. Got a good run and go into that safer barrier.
In there. This is Joey Coulter.
Boy, Joey saw it pretty early. He makes contact with Brian Eichler. Ooh, and a lot of damage. Along with Brendan Newberry in the 24.
See Joe Nemechek? He just kept on driving, made it all the way through the...
Moved up against the wall, still inside, tight behind you? Or
not at all.
Okay, well that'll finish. Let me know you're all right here. Hold on.
This won't be a pretty
Spin it. Stay low. Come on, hold. Gas. Clear high. Move up. You're good. Sorry, bud. Good job.
Clint
One
gets a good
outside.
run up on the outside, but he's right on
Clear,
that quarter
bud.
pound.
All clear. Whatever you need. Still all clear. Watch steady.
And Clint didn't do anything wrong right there. He's just taking advantage of the situation.
All right, guys, we're in it. Be ready here.
And Vickers had to...
Qualified for his pilot's license right here.
2x2. Middle's open. We're upside down. Fine, nothing else is going to hit you. Stay buckled in. Nothing else is going to hit you. You're not hitting anything. Turn left if you can. Finish the race. Start finish is at your pit box.
Oh. Gee, Kyle Busch had just checked up enough, not getting caught up.
And you watch Tony here. He didn't move much, man. He just hung right. He didn't move at all.
No.
And then he got hooked in the right rear into Ricky Stenhouse. But Tony was doing what he needed to do right there. He would have gotten by that without any problem if he wouldn't have gotten tagged by
Kozlowski.
Still inside. Slow up high. Go, back it out.
Seen this a few times this year, if you can remember. From
One all the way on the bottom, inside 2. Oh, stay low.
Caught a view of Joey Logano.
Still lined up out there. 16's out there.
Coming
there.
Yeah, he came over.
Keep coming. Caution's out.
Yeah, I mentioned the difficult
Incident.
Oh, Bubba's so close to making it, but gets tied up in it. And look at Jeb Burton. Under control, makes his way through the crash.
all around him.
Starting to fall off here. Come on. Right front. Here. Go low.
Stenhouse.
16 inside. Clear low. Check up. And we're ready.
You're riding with Stenhouse.
Check up. Hold your line. Check up hard.
Wow.
Darrell Wallace.
Caution is out. He had one on the apron. He had a couple of them crash on the bottom back there. Hell of a job there, bud.
You could definitely hear the RPM come up on the engine.
I don't know if that's when the tires broke loose or if when he got hit on the back.
Still top of 3, top of 2.
You heard him right there when the 11 slid up in front of him. He had to lift a little bit. The 33 wasn't anticipating that and got into the left rear, and that's what caused that.
Lock it down here, lock it down, lock it down.
That was
22 just ruined our day.
Jeff Gordon through this pileup at lap 137.
Still there. Easy. Stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low. We'll be okay here.
It was perfect.
Box right in front of you, stay high, stay right in front of you, easy. Easy. Go high, go low.
Wow.
He almost had that thing cleared.
Great job, and he got run over. You could hear him get hit from behind, but he did an incredible job.
Two with a little gap. Oh, check up. Go low.
He doesn't take
All right,
any
crack it down.
contact.
Hold it down. Go high. All right, we got to check. Slow it down. Yellow's out. Watch your outside.
Oh.
High. Still down there. Wait. Just wrecked. Freaking 33 came off the bottom and wiped us out.
Cam on Almirola's car.
We're stay high.
Riding with David Reagan.
Get up. We're in it. Hold what you got right there, buddy. Hold what you got.
Those are hard licks, man.
That's fine.
Overtake the bottom. Inside. 3 wide, you're in the middle. Still inside. Get going. Stop. Get going. 3 wide. Turn in.
With Danica
The
Patrick.
longest line. Just that 9 outside you. That's all you got out there. Stay to the bottom. Check up. Good job. Back it down. Nice and smooth.
Jay Bell and Tyler Young both went to the top, and it was clear by the time they got there. There was just no way Timothy could get down that quickly.
Timothy.
Larson did a great job getting down, but he got damaged too. He just missed the big.
The back hit it into turn 3. Oh my gosh, it never turned.
Which is normally the sign that a right front tire is going down.
Definitely a right front tire.
And send him around. We go on board with Blaney here.
See, that late contact is what turned Ryan around.
Okay. You don't have much damage. You go to your
pit. By Goodyear. Trouble on the back straightaway, just past halfway.
Going to rain delay Carl as we watch this wreck again.
In the middle, there's up high above, come through the middle.
Yeah.
Right there.
Junior, he just gets jacked up right there because they're 3 wide. They're trying to slow down and looking in front of them. But it's like Carl and those guys.
Look at this. Yeah. He did hit it, I think. Man, yeah, kicked that guard.
Into him, got him squirrely, and I was still going low, trying to get by him, and he touched me and just spun me out the wrong way. So, I don't know, just trying to go. You know, I got a couple guys in front of you a little slow.
The truck didn't win again. What happened with you and your teammate there when things kind of got crazy?
Smartsville, baby.
A lot of bent sheet metal between those two trucks.
Okay, you see it starts wheel hopping immediately.
Job of keeping it off the wall.
See right here, I think he gets in that wake of that 9 car, the air, and it made his car get loose. And of course here he's just trying to hang on to it, catch it, catch it, catch it. Saved it.
Still there. Got the 62 with the run with the 7. Still there inside my
Regan
nose.
was told the 62 was
I know,
underneath as
Daniel.
well. So.
Yeah.
We got spun here.
It just gets really busy. So Sam's doing his job. He's trying.
Wheel hop. You hear it?
Inside.
That's why I say you got on the brakes real hard to not hit the 41 like wheel hop.
I think you're going to see Carl Edwards avoid this too, right in front of him.
Straight front, you stay low, watch straight front.
Wow, look at that though. He got off the ground. It's rough down there. See Carl Edwards' car.
10:30 this morning under much cooler conditions to qualify. Now here they are starting the race.
Yeah, you've got that situation, a hotter day than what they practiced in yesterday. There's more rubber down on the racetrack from 2 cup practices today, so changing conditions quite a bit.
Really good job.
Dodged a bullet.
Yeah, from the in-car here.
Stay high, back it down, 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 back it down.
Just barely gets into the car. And
Still inside here, still inside here. No way. What do you got here? What do you got?
That's a good job.
And he just opens up.
Or did he clip Kyle? Let's ride along.
Lock her down, 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 lock it down.
Yeah, there's
that
the
was
hit.
Kurt right there that came by in the 41.
And now this is going back off the pit lane on the apron of the track.
Well done.
Yeah, he's down on the real flat of the track there. He had someone to his outside and couldn't get out there where there's a little bit of banking, and that is the dirtiest part down there.
Yeah, you see him start around the corner of the 15, and he's got nothing right there. And boom.
That's an ugly picture when you're a driver.
Yeah.
Pointing the wrong direction on a racetrack.
Back outside, bumper 15 outline, but inside. All right, walk it down here, walk it down.
Riding with Kozlowski.
In line. Oh, really? Save it, 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 save it. No caution. No caution. Just save it, save it, save it. Caution, caution, caution.
Kane coming off a 2.
Yes, inside. Back up, check it in front. Check up, check up, check up. Stay to the top, stay to the top, stay to the top.
Yeah, in that situation like that, you don't know whether to hit the gas so you don't get run into.
Yeah.
Or
There it goes. Spots right and left off those rear quarters.
3 feet to the 9. Over front of Joey now.
You can see there was no spotter involved in that. Kyle Busch had a run. He thought he could turn to the left and make it. We do that a lot out there.
Yellow's out.
Kind of just got a half a lane down getting into the corner and moved up just enough to get that arc.
We're spinning now.
Well, yeah, you see the 88 on the inside. Yeah, just gets pinched in the outside wall right there.
Let's go to Marty. Do this mess.
I'll take a 3 ball here. Check up just a little. Block them back down real slow. Back down, back down, back down. Hard, 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 hard. Center the middle here. Middle. Top, 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 top. Go high, go high. Back it down, back it down, back down, down, down. Here.
Jeff.
Pretty late in the corner.
See how quick that happens too?
Yep, tire. Rear tire, can't tell. Forward, just try to keep around the line right there. There you go, got it. I'm coming outside here, just stay low there. Try to milk it around here. There you go, just hold the brake there, hold the brake, lock it down, lock it down. Caution will be out here. Surely the caution will be out, just hold it still there. All clear. 2 inside, 2 inside. Your lane's rolling good, your lane's rolling good. Keep coming there. Alright. Keep coming. There's one more car coming, buddy. Hold it right there. Hope we don't hit you here. You're good.
We heard the 77 get out of the throttle, so it might not have been a situation where Jeb drove it.
Stay low after 47. Stay low. Still outside. Inside. Hold the brake.
You can see from that she was chasing her car even before that.
See the cars moving around in front. The junior never let off the gas. He never came off the gas, Mike, so his momentum might have been slowed by.
Short quarter. Clear me. Inside now. Inside. Hold on to it. Left front, go hard. 20. Took us out.
What a hard hit, really.
You could obviously see that wasn't the case right along.
All right, we're in the wall here. Hang on. We're spinning here. Caution's out. Don't